my salam. Assalamualaikum. I hope everyone is well by here. Today my presentation topic is role of plant physiology in agriculture of Bangladesh. This is MD Ilyas Kaji. I am from Agriculture Department in IUBAT. This is our respected faculty, Department of Agriculture in IUBAT. We all know that there is a proverb about plant in Bangla, গাছ লাগান পরিবেশ বাঁচান. Yes, my dear friend, today I am talking about what is plant physiology and important role of plant physiology. What is plant physiology? Plant physiology is a physiological structure of plant body. It is a branch of botany that deals with the study of function and vital process like photosynthesis, photomorphogenesis, plant relation, water and transpiration, respiration, etc. It helps to understand farmer how plant live, grow, and response to their different conditions. This knowledge is essential for our agriculture, horticulture, and environment sustainability. Key role of importance of plant physiology: understanding photosynthesis efficiency. Understanding photosynthesis efficiency means a green plant convert carbon dioxide, water into glucose and oxygen using chlorophyll. Basic formula. This is the basic formula of photosynthesis. Only about 40% of sunlight usable photosynthesis. Using improving water use efficiency. Including water use efficiency means less water use but achieve better result. Like there are four methods of improving water use efficiency: soil moisture monitoring, deep irrigation, mulching, rainwater harvesting. And hormonal regulation. Plant hormone, also known as chemical messenger of the plant body. And plant hormone control development, plant growth. This is the 5 hormones in plant: gibberellin, auxin, hydrocyanine, insulin, and expressive acid. Environment interaction. Plant environment interaction means plant interaction their environment like nesting movement, photosynthesis, temperature. Understanding plant growth and development. Understanding plant growth and development means the importance in our developing our plant and food security. It also helps farmer and scientists. Like we see the suitable time, how this is the suitable time planning, harvesting and harvesting. Importance of agriculture in Bangladesh. Main source of livelihood. A majority of rural people depend on directly or indirectly in agriculture. Agriculture employs around 40% of people workplace, especially in rural area. Agriculture economic contribution. Agriculture is a backbone of our Bangladesh economy. Around 12 to 14% of country's total GDP. It also supports our employees and export earnings support to other sectors. Raw materials for industry. There are many industries that depend on our agriculture raw materials like cotton, sugarcane, jute, oilseed, rubber. Major challenges plant physiology in Bangladesh agriculture. Abiotic stress like heat, salinity, flooding, food genetic, resilient of local varieties, low photosynthesis efficiency, hormonal imbalance, under stress, lack of research and extension in plant physiology. Plant physiology and sustainable farming in Bangladesh. Climate change adaptation. We should apply and put the plant in our field if climate resilient crops, and we should follow intelligent smart agriculture, farmer education and sustainable practices. We should inspire our local farmer to educate them their farmer field school and how to use agriculture related mobile apps, site, etc. Conclusion. In my conclusion, I say that plant physiology plays an important role in our developing agriculture, and it also helps farmer that how can lead, response, adopt their different condition of environment. And plant physiology overall plant physiology applying knowledge in our smart agriculture. I hope in our country agriculture sector is moving forward day by day. Thank you everyone.